call me Panda, whichever one you like. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have all of these lipsticks and I'm gonna try to do a whole face with lipstick. I would like to thank Linda for giving me this idea, and this is her Instagram right here, and you can follow her because she's really funny. So yeah, so she gave me an idea because not everybody has all of the makeup that I do. I'm a makeup hoarder and I'm also a makeup artist, which is why I have tons of makeup, but not everybody does. So these are like simple ways for you to use your usual lipsticks in your everyday routine. You can use whatever you have and incorporate it in your daily routine. This was really fun and I literally got done with this in like less than 15 minutes. Can you believe it? So I hope this helps you and keep on watching. So I've already prepped and primed my face with a moisturizer and a primer. So now I'm going to go ahead and color correct. So for the first product, I'm going to use a bright red, or you can use orange for color correction. If you have a very light skin tone though, you can use like a peach or a salmon-y shade. I do have an example of that as well, and this is what it looks like. This is really good for fairer skin tones, but for my skin tone I'm going to use like a red. You can also alternate. If you don't have a red, you can use like an orange shade. That works well for dark skin tones as well, red and orange. And for lighter skin tones, peach or like a salmon color. So I'm going to dab a few dots under my eyes, and I also have this hyperpigmentation, so I'm going to cover that up as well. I'm just going to blend it out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for it to dry, and then I'm going to apply my foundation. I'm going to apply my foundation just as I do normally. Now that I'm done with my foundation, I'm going to use this brown lipstick from Nelf USA, the Miami stick in the shade Brew. This really nice brown shade, and I'm going to apply it everywhere I always contour, starting from under my cheekbones, on my jawline, and a little on my chin. I'm going to add it to my forehead and on my temples as well. I'm also going to nose contour a little bit with this. Basically, you can use this brown lipstick as a cream contour, which is so awesome. I'm just going to blend it all. You can also use your fingers to blend it. You don't have to use a sponge. So now I'm just going to highlight my face with my concealer. I'm using my concealer just to highlight all the parts that we did not contour. I'm just going to use the same brown lipstick to add a little definition to my eyebrows. Obviously for this I'm going to use like an angled brush. Now I'm just going to use a spoolie to brush it all out. So now that I'm happy with the way my brows look, I'm just gonna set them in place, and what I use for that is mascara. for my blush, I'm going to use this Maybelline Lip Gradation in the shade Fuchsia. It's this really nice bright pink shade. So I'm just going to pat it on. This lip gradation literally, once you apply it, turns into like this powder finish, which is why I use it as a blush. It stays on just like a powder blush. Speaking of powder, I'm now going to powder my face. So I'm going to use this Color Essence in the shade Dusky. It's this compact powder, and I'll use this on all the parts that I have highlighted. I'm going to use this eyeshadow from Miss Claire. It's in the shade Brown, and I'm going to use this for my powder contour. I'm going to put this all over the cream contour that we did with the brown lipstick. For my eyes, I'm going to go back first to this brown shade, and I'm going to put this in my crease. I'm going to add my face powder just on the lid where I did not apply the brown lipstick. So I think I want to add a pop of color on my lower lash line with this pink. Since it's in this crayon style, I'm going to go ahead and just draw it on, and I'm going to blend it out with this pencil shaped brush. As you can see, it's really bright pink. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this kajal. This one is the Lakme Iconic in the shade Black. Another way you can use lipsticks is as eyeliner, and today I'm going to use a colored liquid lipstick as eyeliner. This one is in the shade Wineberry from Nika K. I'm just going to draw a really nice wing, and I'm going to show you how. I'm going to take a little bit of the liquid lipstick on the back of my hand, and I'm going to take an angled brush, dip it in that. I'm going to add a little more of the kajal on my waterline. So I'm just going to add false lashes off camera, and I'll be back. For highlight, I know this might sound crazy, but this is such a good option. You can also use shimmery eyeshadow, but this is like for a really intense glow. What you can do is you can add this underneath your highlight or your shimmery highlight or your shimmery eyeshadow that you use as a highlight. I'm going to take this lip gloss. I'm going to remove the excess so that I don't put too much, and I'm going to add it on the high points of my face, starting with my cheekbones, under my brows. These are all the usual places I highlight: my cheekbones, under my brows, on the tip of my nose, down a little bit down the bridge of my nose, just right here, and on my cupid's bow as well. And as my last step, obviously I'm going to use lipstick as lipstick. So I'm going to use this shade called Beauty Mark from NYX Lingerie, and I'm going to use the same Wineberry shade from Nika K on the outer corners. I'm going to line my lips with this deep maroon shade from Miss Claire. So this is the final look, and I used lipstick for my eyebrows, my eyes, my contour, my highlight, and of course my lipstick and also my blush. I hope you guys actually use these tricks in your daily routine because this can help you guys so much. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button down below and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. And if you do have any video suggestion, please make sure you comment down below. I will make sure I give you a shout out for it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.